Why men should eat 2 bitter kola daily. Bitter kola, also known as Garcinia kola, is a fruit-bearing tree native to West Africa. It is known for its medicinal properties and is often used in traditional medicine for various purposes. However, it's important to note that while there are some potential health benefits associated with bitter kola consumption, there isn't substantial scientific evidence to support the claim that men should eat 2 bitter kola daily or any specific dosage for that matter. That said, bitter kola contains various bioactive compounds such as caffeine, theobromine, tannins, flavonoids, and alkaloids, which may have some potential health benefits. Some of the purported benefits of bitter kola include: antioxidants are compounds that help neutralize harmful molecules called free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and various diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Antioxidants work by donating electrons to free radicals, thereby stabilizing them and preventing them from causing damage to cells. This process helps protect cells from oxidative stress, which is caused by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Bitter kola contains various antioxidants, including flavonoids, tannins, and phenolic compounds, which contribute to its antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help scavenge free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and protect cells from damage. Research suggests that the antioxidant properties of bitter kola may have several potential health benefits, including reduced risk of chronic diseases. Consuming foods rich in antioxidants, such as bitter kola, may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders by protecting cells from oxidative damage. Anti-aging effects. Antioxidants can help protect against the effects of aging by neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress on cells and tissues. Improved immune function. Antioxidants support immune function by protecting immune cells from damage caused by free radicals, which may help enhance the body's ability to fight infections and illnesses. Skin health. Antioxidants play a role in maintaining healthy skin by protecting against oxidative damage from UV radiation and environmental pollutants, which can contribute to premature aging and skin conditions. While bitter kola contains antioxidants and may offer potential health benefits, it's important to consume it as part of a balanced diet rich in a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other antioxidant-rich foods. Additionally, more research is needed to fully understand the specific antioxidant compounds present in bitter kola and their effects on human health. Bitter kola, like many other plants and herbs, contains compounds that may exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural immune response that helps the body fight infection and injury. However, chronic inflammation can contribute to various health problems, including cardiovascular disease, arthritis, and certain types of cancer. Some of the compounds found in bitter kola, such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds, have been studied for their potential anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds may help reduce inflammation by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory molecules in the body. Research on the anti-inflammatory effects of bitter kola is limited, but there is some evidence to suggest that it may help alleviate inflammation-related conditions. For example, joint pain. Bitter kola has been traditionally used in African herbal medicine to relieve joint pain and inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis. Some studies have shown that the plant extracts may possess anti-inflammatory properties that could help reduce swelling and pain in arthritic joints. Respiratory inflammation. Bitter kola has also been used to treat respiratory conditions such as asthma and bronchitis. While more research is needed, some studies have suggested that bitter kola extracts may have bronchodilator and anti-inflammatory effects, which could help alleviate inflammation in the airways and improve breathing. Skin inflammation. Topical application of bitter kola extracts has been explored for its potential anti-inflammatory effects on skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. The compounds in bitter kola may help reduce redness, swelling, and itching associated with these inflammatory skin conditions. It's important to note that while bitter kola may offer some anti-inflammatory benefits, more research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms of action and its effectiveness in treating inflammatory conditions. Additionally, individual responses to bitter kola may vary, and it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using bitter kola or any herbal remedy, especially if you have a medical condition or are taking medications. Bitter kola has been traditionally used in African folk medicine to alleviate various respiratory conditions, including coughs, asthma, and bronchitis. While scientific research on the specific effects of bitter kola on respiratory health is limited, some studies have explored its potential therapeutic properties in this regard. Bronchodilator effects. Bitter kola extracts have been investigated for their potential bronchodilator effects, which means they may help widen the airways and facilitate easier breathing. This effect could be beneficial for individuals with conditions such as asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, where airway constriction contributes to breathing difficulties. Expectorant properties. Bitter kola is believed to possess expectorant properties, which means it may help loosen and expel mucus from the respiratory tract. By promoting the removal of mucus, bitter kola could potentially relieve congestion and alleviate coughing associated with respiratory infections or conditions such as bronchitis. Antimicrobial activity. Bitter kola exhibits antimicrobial properties, which may help combat respiratory infections caused by bacteria, viruses, or fungi. By inhibiting the growth of pathogens in the respiratory tract, bitter kola could support the body's natural defense mechanisms and aid in recovery from respiratory illnesses. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation often plays a role in respiratory conditions such as asthma and bronchitis. Some research suggests that bitter kola may have anti-inflammatory properties, which could help reduce inflammation in the airways and alleviate symptoms associated with respiratory inflammation. While these potential benefits of bitter kola for respiratory health are promising, it's essential to interpret the available scientific evidence cautiously. More research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms of action and effectiveness of bitter kola in improving respiratory conditions. Additionally, individual responses to bitter kola may vary, and it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using bitter kola or any herbal remedy, particularly if you have pre-existing respiratory conditions or are taking medications. Bitter kola has a long history of traditional use as an aphrodisiac in West African cultures. An aphrodisiac is a substance that is believed to enhance sexual desire, libido, or sexual performance. While bitter kola is commonly touted for its aphrodisiac properties, scientific evidence supporting this claim is limited, and more research is needed to fully understand its effects on sexual function. Some of the proposed mechanisms by which bitter kola may exert aphrodisiac effects include stimulant properties. Bitter kola contains compounds such as caffeine and theobromine, which are stimulants that may increase alertness and energy levels. These effects could potentially contribute to heightened sexual arousal and performance. Increased blood flow. Some compounds found in bitter kola, such as flavonoids, have been shown to have vasodilatory effects, meaning they can widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. Improved blood circulation to the genital area may enhance sexual arousal and function. Hormonal effects. Bitter kola may influence hormone levels in the body, including testosterone, which plays a role in sexual desire and performance. However, scientific evidence supporting the specific hormonal effects of bitter kola is limited. Psychological factors. The belief in the aphrodisiac properties of bitter kola, combined with cultural and psychological factors, may contribute to a placebo effect, where individuals experience improved sexual function due to their expectations rather than the actual pharmacological effects of the substance. While bitter kola is widely used as an aphrodisiac in traditional medicine, its efficacy and safety for this purpose have not been well established through scientific research. Additionally, individual responses to bitter kola may vary, and it's important to approach its use with caution, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. If you're interested in using bitter kola or any other natural remedy for sexual enhancement, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and guidance. They can help you make informed decisions about the potential risks and benefits of using bitter kola and recommend appropriate treatment options based on your individual needs. Bitter kola, scientifically known as Garcinia kola, has been traditionally used in African herbal medicine for its purported antimicrobial properties. Antimicrobial agents are substances that inhibit the growth of microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. While scientific research on bitter kola's antimicrobial effects is ongoing, several studies have investigated its potential in this regard. Here are some findings related to bitter kola's antimicrobial effects. Antibacterial activity. Bitter kola extracts have demonstrated antibacterial properties against a variety of pathogenic bacteria, including Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, Salmonella typhi, and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. These bacteria are known to cause various infections in humans, such as skin infections, urinary tract infections, gastrointestinal infections, and respiratory tract infections. Antiviral activity. Research suggests that bitter kola may possess antiviral properties against certain viruses, including the hepatitis C virus, HCV. Studies have shown that bitter kola extracts inhibit the replication of HCV in laboratory settings. However, more research is needed to determine the effectiveness of bitter kola against other viruses and its potential application in antiviral therapy. Antifungal activity. Bitter kola has been investigated for its antifungal properties against fungal pathogens such as Candida albicans, which can cause infections such as oral thrush and vaginal yeast infections. Studies have shown that bitter kola extracts exhibit inhibitory effects against Candida albicans and other pathogenic fungi. Antiparasitic activity. Some studies suggest that bitter kola may have antiparasitic properties against certain parasites, including Plasmodium species, which cause malaria. Bitter kola extracts have been shown to inhibit the growth of malaria parasites in laboratory experiments. However, further research is needed to evaluate bitter kola's efficacy against other parasitic infections. Overall, bitter kola shows promising antimicrobial potential, but more research is required to fully elucidate its mechanisms of action and evaluate its effectiveness in clinical settings. It's important to note that while natural remedies like bitter kola may offer antimicrobial benefits, they should not be used as a substitute for conventional medical treatments. If you suspect an infection or have a medical condition, consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. While bitter kola may offer some potential health benefits, it's essential to consume it in moderation. Eating 2 bitter kola daily might not be suitable for everyone, as excessive consumption could lead to adverse effects, including gastrointestinal discomfort and interactions with medications. Additionally, pregnant women, individuals with certain medical conditions, and those taking medications should consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating bitter kola into their diet. As with any herbal remedy, it's crucial to approach bitter kola consumption with caution and to rely on scientific evidence and medical advice when determining its suitability and appropriate dosage for individual health needs.